Hello, Team Mowits. How are you doing? Yes, it's nice evening. I'm heading somewhere within Aweil town here. It is kind of good evening. You can see how cool is this place. It rains a few minutes ago. Right now the weather is super cool, guys. So I'm heading a certain place where I'm going to see a certain person. So let's cross finger so that I can meet him where he is at the moment. Let's go. I really love to take the walks in the evening, it is so good. I'm heading where I heard there is something I'm going to attend to, guys. This is the very place where I'm heading. I really love this environment, guys. That's how it goes. This summer boats in our town here. I'm trying to see as it is here. Must be nice, as you can see.
What did happen to the last 10? I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Yes, this really happened. I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Yes, this really happened. I can't be too sure, but one day
Look for some fish in that river. I said this river is over flooded. One should go and check how this river is over flooded. He said the river is completely occupied by water, and one should go and check because it is so where we get some fish here. Get to know here, guys, because it has so many fishes. See, it is up to that end. It's up to that end. Water flooded. Okay, ngayon water chen bor pa ka. Kaya na shit ka. Chera inang ra ida na ida yo nen che bor zaman shit ka. Completely flooded. Completely flooded. You can look from there. It's completely flooded. Even up to there. It's so much flooded. Because it has not yet flooded so much. As you can see there. Okay. Water is running. Giáo cái thêm mọi thầy khả năng thiếu nữa. Okay. One of the nice bridge where it used to flood here, guys. Huh? It's flooded so much. So many water here. So many water here. So people used to cross over here. It's completely flooded, guys. It's completely flooded, and it is our concern to come and check the level of water because it has started to destroy our houses now. So we should come and take pictures, come and take video from here. Come and take video from here so that we can show others how this river have started to overflow. So hopefully after some time you will see a big floods affecting people outside there. So it is kind of going to be tough, guys. It's kind of going to be tough, as you can see. It is up to that end. I see some boys bringing boats and all those stuff out there. So after some time, this place will be full with water and some fishes will be here. So it is kind of going to be tough, guys. Kind of going to be tough, I tell you. You know, looks up there, up to that end. Up to that end, my people. So it's going to be something very, very terrible to the people surrounding here. They will get flooded and things will be very bad indeed. So one should go from the headaches of the bridge there to want to avoid all this stuff, guys. So it's somehow tough. Looks how this vehicle will check this. People will check it so bad, guys. Good enough, there are no hippopotamus, crocodile, and all those stuff here. Nothing available here. So hippopotamus, no crocodile in this river. It is kind of fine and good, you know. Sure. Coming back after taking some pictures from here, so one should have to go back. And good enough, the crops are doing fine here. Hopefully after some time, people will start eating from the farm direct. Kinda going to be good and nice, my people. So consider to subscribe, click like and share the video on several social media platforms. Let more people get it, my people. So thank you very much. That's the buy if Hello my people, how are you doing? Let me hope you are doing fine wherever you are. I think it is very dark here. I have to go outside. It is too dark. Let me move outside so that you can see me clearly, guys. Good. It's good afternoons or good mornings. It depends on your timeline there. The time zones. Yeah, right now I'm coming live from South Sudan. At least the season of everything is good. It has been raining a lot and the weather is a bit cold now. It is not like before. Before the weather was very, very hot. People could not even sleep inside. But right now it is raining and even rainwater has overflooded so many places now. All the rivers are full and the roads are completely blocked by the road now. Yeah, it has been nice. It has been so nice. I have a good news for you guys. It has been a long time. It has been a long struggle actually. I struggled for quite longer time, and you know it is good for one to break the news to come out with family. You know, I started YouTube several years ago. And to meet the requirements, as it is always the as they always said, it's not easy. You know, I meet the requirement of clocking 1,000 subscribers, I think 2 years ago. But to clock hours, it wasn't easy completely. To clock hours, it was not easy. I had to move up and down for me to clock hours. But some months ago, I clocked hours. Right now, my YouTube is in process of getting monetized. Is in process of getting monetized. Hopefully, after some. Here you can see how big grass have grown here. All trees are very healthy because of rain. You know, a lot. You can see that big grass there. It has grown so many grass around here. This is the seasons I love so much. I love this season so much, guys. You know, when it is rainy seasons, I feel actually I feel good compared to dry seasons. I love this green environment so much. I love green environment so much. I feel nice when I walk around in such a beautiful environment. You know, I wish this rain could continue raining for many months. You know, it could have been nice, but here it doesn't rain. Here it doesn't rain a lot. Rain doesn't rain for more than a month. Like we are now in July. It will rain up to October, then it will stop. Up to October and it will stop. It will not continue raining. You know, it will not continue raining in October. This mango need to be upright like this. It is bending, I don't know why. It's kind of bending. It has to be upright so that the wind could not break it. You know. You know. There is this banana here. You see this banana. So to pick the point from where I left, so right now my channel is going to be monetized soon. Right now I'm getting some updates, some good updates from YouTube. The little I'm making now on ads are showing in YouTube. I'm actually asking you, my people, to continue watching my video and don't skip the ads. Don't skip the ads. Watch all the ads. That's where I'm making little. I'm going to get. And you know, my purpose of making videos or being a YouTuber is to travel. Actually, I want to travel. I wanted to continue traveling around the world. That's my dream. That's my dream actually. So after getting my YouTube monetized and there will be something to keep me going, I'll make sure I travel to other countries so that I can also go and discover a lot of good things or a lot of nice things. You know, it is good to travel. I love traveling actually. It is my passion. Traveling is my passion. I can't stay in one place for more than 6 months without traveling. I will feel like that place is too much boring, you know. But if I travel to some places for some few days, then I return back home, I feel refreshed and I feel good actually. So that's being said, after getting littles from YouTube, I'll embark on traveling. Thank you to all YouTubers who inspire me to continue uploading videos and also encourage us to keep going, to be consistent actually. in uploading videos. Thank you very much. You have really inspired us. We'll continue posting more videos. We will post more videos so that we can keep going, you know. Yeah. I'm asking you for one thing. Share the video on several social media platforms. Click like and remember to subscribe. I have less subscribers now. You know, I would like to clock 2K and maybe 3K. Yeah, so share the video on several social media platforms and also let more people get it. And when they get it, they will subscribe. And it will keep going like that. You know, we have to have a human family. We have to support one another for us to grow. We have reached these subscribers and also met the requirement because of support. You always extends, you know. Keep that as we shall also be consistent, doing more for you people there. So remember to subscribe, click like and share it on several social media platforms for more to get it. So thank you very much. I have to continue with this video later. Thanks. Okay, then low video. Yeah, exactly. It is somehow nice now. It is all summer, as you can see, guys. Yeah, that's what we are up to at the moment. Get to know from the person doing it right now. Ben ko long to eating, kara long to ben putting na. This is what we put up here, you know, we put it up here, you know, to make it so nice. And you know, we brought these things here. Can see, yeah, because I'm trying to go quiz. Tamam that. So I say, "Yan, me chila kuro kuro." Oh, free was free. And then ke correct, but here is problem. We suffer losses here. Have you seen how this car is smashed? It is smashed by the heavy rain, guys. Look inside there. And look inside. Look there. So the wall fall on it, and it has It happened to destroy the vehicle, as you can see, guys. You see? It has destroyed the vehicle, Kabisa, guys. And this is the warehouse which fall down. It fall down completely, guys. And you have seen how badly it is. You know. Just come and look here. Just come and look here also. It has destroyed the vehicle completely. From there up to here. So the front rear is completely gone. You can see him standing there. He's inside the house. And the front rear is completely gone. Windscreens. Let me say the windscreen is gone. The very wall which was there has fallen here. And so everything is completely damaged. Yeah. Ôi chú ba về cái đó tầm ra ba về. Tầm ra ba về nè. Ôi chú ba về đi rồi. Có cái chuyện giờ đi cho các em. Từng nay chỉ bảo vệ thân cái thác đó lên. Tiền vào đám tục tiền à. Alo? Dạ thôi. Dạ thôi, còn hoàng quá được gì đâu. Đâm tục lòng thì à. Dal bên về, bao rồi. Còn bây giờ nữa. Giờ thế nữa. Cái chuyện nha. Cái chuyện cái đó. Còn cái chuyện nha. We brought more bricks, you know. We want to complete. We want to put the gates here, and when there are small bricks left, we will build some whatever here, some tukul for us to stay here, guys. So you can see the trucks which brought the bricks. This kind of enough bricks. Eta tu je na mana jaj man. Ha? Ai ndi kang bed be wala be ko be long nun.
Du be long.
Along thun za to.
Ai mai te din lang comment ka na.
We have brought the bricks. Brick is the one they are uploading there. So after uploading, I think everything will be fine. We are going to fill these two places tomorrow, guys. And everything will be fine. I'm so happy for these people who have brought the bricks here. We have gathered these bricks here because we want to put the fence. I mean, we want to put the gate there. Those bricks here were removed from this one up there, from the fallen house. They were removed there. So things we will. There is more bricks. The trucks will bring more bricks. It is because it rained today, that's why it did not bring it. But maybe tomorrow, in the evening or tomorrow morning, maybe a truck will bring more bricks here. You know. And these guys here. These guys always stay here in this tower 1 pound. See? This one here, yeah. We brought these things here so that we can use it as aggregate. Guys. I want to use this one as aggregate. We have the gates down here. This one here is the gate. This one is the big gate. You can see. This one is the bigger gate. So here is the bigger gate, and this one is the smaller gate. You know, we chain it on this one, and we also plug it with this one so that thieves could not tamper with this. And for the little remaining houses, you know what we did? What we did for little remaining houses, we put this one around here. Put this one around here so that the water could not enter it and make it fall again. It is up to there, And even this one here is also there. Have you seen? We put it around it, so that the water could not go under it there. Because once water enter there, it will fall. You know. Our mission now is to put these two gates, one there and the other there. That's the mission at the moment. You know. We'll be happy when we put this gate there. Everything will be fine. The rest will be done. You know. And we brought this one. This one will be enough. After we crash it into small things, we'll put it there to build all those stuff there with it, guys. Kinda good, as you can see, my people. Let me come and relax here. Just relaxing after a long day. I've just come to sit in the house. Right now it is, let me check the time, guys. Let me check the time. It could be 6 or 7 o'clock, but I am not sure. I have to check it direct here. Have you seen the time here? Have you seen the time there? It is 10 minutes to 6 p.m. Kind of afternoon. The sun is setting down now. And it is cloudy. It is cloudy day. It is cloudy there. It is like the rain is still up and it will fall later. Very cold day because it rains yesterday night up to the morning. You can even see the ground is still wet and there is some water down there. I tell you, from this month up to September, it will rain. It used to rain a lot here. A lot of houses are fallen now. A lot of houses are fallen down as we speak now. Those one that made the houses to be concrete, like that one there, that big concrete, is the one that this water could not remove. And even that one, the other neighbor there had the concrete. So this water here could not touch it because the foundation is strong. They dig down and they start putting stones and they build it with cement, so the foundation is strong, just like that one of fence, like the one we did during the fence there. So the water could not get there and destroy it. It is kind of very, very strong. But with these local houses, there is no strong foundation made. So once it rains heavily, it will destroy it immediately. So it is not easy completely. It is not easy. So we have to protect those one, the remaining two, so that it could not fall down as well. Yeah. It wasn't easy completely, but it is finally done. There's nothing difficult anymore. Yeah. So hopefully we will do everything, you know. I'm with this gentleman here. Hey.
Okay.
You need to introduce yourself, you know, but it's okay. I think he introduced himself some months ago. He's a hard-working gentleman. He did a lot of things. This thing you see in the compound here is the one who did it. He's the one who put that aggregate there. He's the one who transport those gates here, and he is the one who put that bricks there. You know, and he was the one who removed those one up there, the bricks up and all other stuff. So after some time, the door and the window will be removed, and there could be no problem. So he's a hard-working gentleman, you know. He also speak Luo language, you know. Liba, can you greet these people in your Luo language? Liba koi kamo tong dun Luo, kamo tuya Paul, ngadiben koi died na tong dun Luo.
Jur chun. Tuyir chulu ba amor.
Bijal more than whatever.
Bijal
more than whatever. He knows Luo language. Yes, even me, I know little Luo language. Like Yinanga, when they say Yinanga, they say, what is your name? Yinanga, Shelwele Yinga. Huh? Okay, na Luela na.
Oi. Oi.
Akwai lane Luela Tandia Jama. There is this one.
Right.
Riom.
Right.
When then they said Xiang Liat. When they say Xiang Liat, they said the sun is hot. When they said Pingit, they said the sun is, it is cold today. I will, if they said Kodchi cry, then they said it rains a lot today. You know, I know a little. Then they said Kodchi eaten. They say Oram Kror, we meet tomorrow. Oram Kror. And when you ask someone where is, you said Song Nake. Said Song Nake, right? Yet you Song Nake. Okay, Kelpi. And then they said when they say there is no money, they said Giriatora. I know little of Luo language. They are the one who taught me Luo language, by the way. You know, I'm learning slowly. They said Giriatora. And Akaja. I'm very hungry. I need something to eat. And Akaja. Kelpi, Kelwats, all this small thing I know. I think after some month I will be speaking fluent Luo language. So he's the one who taught me, and there are the rest of people. My neighbors actually, they are Luo, and I used to interact with them in Luo language, you know. Kind of good and nice, you know. Yes, things I have to end this video here, but remember to subscribe, click like and share the video. Let more people get it. We are on the road to 2K. Thank you very much. Thanks once again. Subscribe, click like and share the video. Give us feedback on comment section. Let us know how you feel about this video. Peace. Nice.